What's the meaning of boo-boo? Boo-boo. Boo-boo.
Boo-boo. Boo-boo. The term boo-boo is an informal expression used to describe a minor or trivial mistake or injury, typically made by a child. It can refer to a physical scrape or cut, but it is also commonly used to describe a small error or mistake. The term is often used in a playful or affectionate manner, particularly when comforting a child who has suffered a minor injury. However, it can also be used more broadly to describe any small error or mishap, even among adults. Overall, boo-boo is a light-hearted way of acknowledging a small mistake or injury without making a big deal out of it.